In this video, I'm going to show you how you can back up your photos and videos on Android and iOS devices. For more tutorials, make sure you subscribe, and let's get right into it. So if you are looking for a way to back up your photos and videos on your mobile device, this works for both Android and Apple devices. And what's really great about this is I've used it for a while now, and what I think is really great about this is it has also got a companion app which you can download on your Windows PC or on your Mac. So once your photos have been backed up on your mobile device, you can access them on your PC. So first of all, what you need to do is head over to your Play Store, and then you will need to go to the search bar and search for something called PhotoSync. Once you search for that, you will need to download and install the top search result here. And then once it's downloaded and installed, obviously you can click on open. Once you click on open, what it will do is it will automatically go ahead and back up your photos and your videos from your mobile device. And then, like I said before, you can go ahead then and access these on Windows PC and Mac. So let's say you can go ahead and back up your photos and videos on your mobile.